On our homepage, through the Strategies tab, you can access various real-time market strategy information. In this tab, you have access to all available public strategies and their details. At the top of the chart, you will find the number of followers who have positively evaluated the strategy and its performance rate. Through the presented charts, you can gain a better understanding of each strategy's performance by comparing the balance with net capital over the years. At the bottom of the chart, you will find information such as closed P&L, drawdown level, and trader's experience level. We also provide a risk scale so you can make a more informed decision before following any strategy. In the top right corner of the page, you have various options to filter the visible strategies. These filters allow you to search by strategy name, but also by the trader's name, surname, or email. You also have the option to sort the strategies by profit, age, or risk level. In the bottom right corner of each strategy, through the Additional Options button, you can share the link and obtain more information about it. To follow a strategy, click the Follow button, select the account you wish to associate with the strategy, and after carefully reading and agreeing to the terms and conditions, confirm your choice by clicking Add Account.